Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Harley Davidson Rockford FOSGATE audio for the Lowrider ST right here. I've had it for about a week or so already. I've been testing it out little by little. And basically what I want to do today is just answer some of those questions, because after we did the install video, there was a lot of questions. People wondering, is it worth it? At what speed can I hear it? At what speed does it start to kind of fade out? And that's what we're going to be here answering for all of you guys today. You got a beautiful day out here in dirty Jersey. High of 55 degrees today. Blue skies, clear skies. Now there's a few things that we need to go over today. A few things that you need to kind of factor in when it comes to the listening experience, if you want to say. Number one, are you wearing a full face helmet or a half shell? Number two, how loud is your bike? Because that is going to play a big factor. Now, in all honesty, I found it that the audio is, for what it is, it's extremely loud. For these two little speakers right here, it sounds really, really great. I'm actually surprised at how good and how loud they sound, being that they're so small. Now, I've been trying to gauge the audio at different speeds. I've been doing around town riding to test it out. I've been doing the highway riding to test it out, to see exactly when does it sound really clear, when does it start to fade out. Now, for the most part of my riding, 95% of the time, I'm wearing a full face helmet. It's very rare when I wear a half shell. So even with my full face helmet on, the audio sounds really good. I wish we were able to kind of do a demonstration for you here, but YouTube and music, YouTube doesn't allow us to play around with music much, so that's that. So what I can tell you is that right now we're cruising at 30 miles an hour. At this speed, the audio would sound very, very crisp. At 40 miles an hour, the words still sound very, very clear. And at 50 miles an hour, the words and the song still sound very, very clear. Once you get into 60 miles an hour, you can kind of start to feel it kind of not fading out, but it doesn't, but it's not going to sound as clear as it would be, let's say, cruising at 30 or 40, right? There's less wind buffeting, but even at 60 miles an hour, you hear everything pretty clear. But cruising at 60 miles an hour, you'll definitely hear the song that you're listening to. You hear the lyrics, you hear the instruments. It sounds really good. Now, if you're constantly going to be on the throttle and cranking that thing, and your bike is really loud, you're probably not going to like it as much, because the sound from the exhaust is going to be drowning out the audio. For example, I mean, I have a 131 on here, and this exhaust as well is pretty loud. So let's just say you're going to get on the highway and you're going to be ripping the whole time. You're probably not going to use the audio, because you're going to be drowning out that sound with your exhaust. But if you're going to be out there cruising, you're good. So right now, for what we're doing, like around the town cruising, it's perfect for that. But if you're going to be cruising on the highway at 60 miles an hour, just chilling, you're good. You're totally, totally fine. Now, once you hit 70, it starts to fade out. You got to kind of you're going to try to listen extra hard for whatever song you're listening to, because it's going to fade out. At 80, you're just going to hear instruments. You're not going to hear the words, right? And after that, you just, no, it's just going to be all drowned out. Look at this. Welcome to Jersey. If you're wondering how you control the audio you do everything from your phone. So I got my Apple Music opened up here. Little Nicky Jam. So if you want to control your music, it's from your phone. Mike did show me the Bluetooth gas cap that you can get, and it has buttons on it, so you can literally just skip a song, you know, stop it, pause it, lower or raise your volume. So that's another option. And then there's another one that you can put on your bar setup right here as well, which is similar to the gas cap, just in a different location. So those are two options in case you don't want to be kind of playing around with your phone while you're out there, which I think I'm gonna do, just because I hate to kind of, if I'm riding, I hate to kind of be playing around with my phone or moving around keys or whatnot. So I'll probably end up getting that. It's much easier, and then I'm not taking my eyes off the road too much. But yeah, overall the audio sounds great. I'm super happy with the install. So if you guys are interested and you're in the market to buy yourself one of these, I would highly recommend it. I love music. I'm listening to music literally all day. I listen to a lot of different genres, and I'm like a music fanatic. So I needed to have this on my bike. So if you are in the market and you want to get yourself one of these, and if you want to learn how to install it, just look at the install video we did. I'm going to be linking it up at the end as well, so you guys can take a look at that. Or if you are in the local area, you want to have Mike install it for you, stop by the Tour Custom Cycle Shop. He'll be able to hook you up with that. And that's pretty much it, man. What else can we say? I love this thing. It looks great. Let's just end it with that. It does look great. It does fill everything in perfectly. I feel like it's something that it was missing out of the bike, you know. It should have came with it. It should have came with it. Being that this bike is a music themed bike, it should have came with the audio. I'm just throwing that out there. But if you guys are in the market, you can order this from your local Harley Davidson dealership, or go online to the P&A catalog, order from there. And yeah, I'm gonna keep enjoying this beautiful day, because look at this. Look at this. We got blue skies, clear skies out here, baby. Also, tune in later on this week. I have a huge surprise to unveil. Yeah, we're gonna be unveiling something. So tune in later on this week for that video. You're gonna be very surprised. Oh, I love this bike. Love it. Anyways, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.